Hello, my name is Jack Hulse. I'm the Fleet Sales and E-Mobility Manager for the Hartshorne Group. For modern drivers, creature comforts are an absolute key benefit, especially on those long hours. Therefore, Volvo electric trucks are equipped with everything that drivers want in their cabs to help them get through the day. Comfortable leather seats, lower bunk, fridge in the back wall lockers, plenty of storage space, and from the driving side, full sat nav, which is compatible to your trailers in terms of width, height and weight. You've got low angle glass, as well as a Bluetooth radio, which is touchscreen through the central instrument cluster. The MyTruck app is absolutely key for drivers, being able to preset the batteries, enables the driver to set the truck to its optimum temperature. They can set the night heater to come on as and when they want while the truck is still on charge, and this also works with the air conditioning unit, whether it's hot or cold.